Right, let's look at this question. A father reserved 1/5 of land for himself and divided the remaining portion among his children, such that his son received half of this portion. All right, and rest was divided among his daughters equally, among his three daughters equally. What fraction of the total land is the extent of the land is the extent of land divided among the children? So what fraction of the total land? Right. So for that, first we have to know what fraction of the total land is for the father. So it's given to us 1/5 of the total land. And what is remaining for that? What is remaining for his children then? 4/5 of the whole land. Roman 2. What fraction of the total land was received by the son? Quite an easy question. We have been told son received half of what is there for children. So what did son receive? Half of what is received for children. So half of what is reserved for children. Okay, so half of what is reserved for children. So then that is half of what is reserved for children that we found in Roman 1, 4/5. So what is half of 4/5? That's 1, 2, you cancel. So 2/5 of the whole land. Right. Roman 3. What fraction of the total land is left to be divided among the three daughters? So when would the daughters start getting? They would get after father, after reserving for father and to the son. So first we'll say father plus, first we have to find out what is what fraction of the whole land is for father plus son. So father is getting 1/5, son is getting 2/5. They collectively, they both together get 3/5 of the entire land. Then what is remaining for the three daughters? 2/5. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts are gone for son and father and son. Then 2 parts are remaining for the daughters. Roman 4. If one daughter receives 30 hectares, HA is a unit like centimeters, like HA is a unit that we use to express areas, especially areas of big lands. HA stands for hectares. So if one daughter receives 30 hectares, find the area of the total land. Right. So they have given us the extent of the land a daughter got. That is 30 hectares. But do we know the amount of land a daughter got as a fraction? No. What we know is we know all three daughters got 2/5. So then, how do we connect this 2/5? Can we connect 2/5 to 30? Can we say 2/5 of the entire land is 30 hectares? No, right? 2/5 is not what one daughter is getting. 2/5 is what all three daughters are getting. So if one daughter is getting 30 hectares, how much will all three daughters get? They have said equally given to the daughters. So if one daughter got 30, all three of them should have got 30 each, which means 90 hectares, all three. Now we can connect 2/5 with 90 hectares because 2/5 is the amount of land all three daughters got, and 90 hectares is the amount of land all three daughters got. So what can we say? We can say 2/5 of the whole land. 2/5 of the whole land is equal to 90 hectares. So then how do you find the entire land's area? Whole land, 90. Division 5 goes other side. This division 5 is put to other side. What would it get changed to? It would get changed to multiplication 5. And 2 which is up, like of 2, of is like multiplication. So of 2 goes other side, becomes division 2. So then 90 times 5 is 450, divided by 2 is 225 hectares. Right. If the value of the part kept by the father was rupees 4.5 million, what is the value of the part received by a daughter? Right. So there are multiple ways to do this question. One way is we can first figure out what is the amount of land father got in hectares. In terms of hectares, what is the amount of land father got? Or else there are multiple ways, but we'll do in that way. So what's the amount of land father got? He gets 1/5 of the land. So amount of land father got. That's 1/5 of 225 hectares. That is 45 hectares. So they have told us the value of 45 hectares is 4.5 million. Then what is the value of the land all three daughters got? Three daughters got. We have been told, or we found out, three daughters got 90 hectares. So 90 hectares. Now it's quite easy here because 90 is double of 45. So then the value of the land all three daughters got collectively is 4.5 times 2. That is 9 million. But remember, this is the 9 million is the value of the land all three daughters got collectively. They are asking for what? What is the value of the part received by a daughter? So if all three daughters 90, if the value of the land all three daughters got is 9 million collectively, what's the value of the land area a daughter got? Divide 9 million by 3. Then it is 3 million. So the answer for Roman 5 is 3 million.